In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Notebook. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean note for your day, add a simple plan with bullet points, and explore core options like locking, tagging, and sharing your content, all within the web interface. To begin, head to your Zoho Notebook and open the main notes view. You'll see your existing notes, along with controls to create something new. Look toward the interface for the plus icon. That's your starting point for adding content. Click the plus sign to open the creation menu. Zoho Notebook gives you multiple types of notes you can capture from here. For today's walkthrough, we're focusing on a standard text note, so choose Write. You'll notice there are other options available as well, including capturing content, adding a to-do, attaching files, drawing, and even recording audio or video. Keep those in mind for later, but we'll stick to writing to keep things simple. Once you've selected Write, you'll be taken into a fresh text note. Start by giving your note a clear, helpful title. A descriptive title makes your content easier to find and scan later. For example, type Daily Productivity as your title. This is a great pattern for any daily planning note, but feel free to use whatever naming convention works for you. After that, click into the main body area of the note. This is where you'll add your content. You can type freely here, and the editor will keep things organized as you go. Let's add a simple structure to guide your day. Type Today's Plan at the top of the note body so you have a quick, scannable heading for the tasks you're about to list. Next, turn on the bullet list from the formatting toolbar. Bullets are perfect for short, actionable items you can work through. With the bullet list active, type your first item. For example, write Finish Client Proposal. Pressing Enter will create the next bullet automatically, so add your second item, like Team Meeting at 2 p.m. Continue in the same way for the rest of your tasks. Keep each line focused on one action so it's easier to work through your list during the day. When you're done adding your plan, navigate back to your broader notebook view. Click on Notebooks to return to the area where your notebooks are organized. This helps you confirm where your new note lives and how your content is structured overall. From there, click on My Notebook to open your collection. You'll see your notebooks listed, and you can browse the notes they contain. Hover over the three dots on your notebook to reveal a menu of options for managing it. This is where you can take quick actions without leaving the page. If you'd like to add an extra layer of privacy, choose Lock. This helps keep your content protected. You can also click Tags to attach helpful labels to your notebook, which improves organization and makes related notes easier to find. Keep tags short and consistent so searching stays fast and reliable. If you'd like others to see your content, click Share. This lets you collaborate or provide visibility to teammates or stakeholders as needed. When you choose to share, you'll have the option to copy a note link. Go ahead and copy the note link so you can paste it into a message or any communication channel you prefer. This is a quick way to provide access without exporting files or moving content around. Just make sure you're comfortable with who can view the link before you share it. And that's it. You've created a well-titled note, added a clear daily plan using bullet points, organized your content within your notebook, and explored key controls like locking, tagging, and sharing. With these essentials, Zoho Notebook becomes a simple, reliable hub for your daily work.